So guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the OPPO A2. So if you don't see your Bluetooth gadget, always start from the simplest way. So switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone. It's obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated pair mode, and how to activate pair mode you will find in a manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices. But it's still not for your phone. Let's open settings and go to the additional settings. Then look for the backup and reset and choose the reset phone. Select network settings and tap on the reset network settings button. After that, look again for your device on the Bluetooth list. In the last step, you can also try to restart your, update your system, so you have to click on the Apple device and choose Color OS. If you have an update, just install it and check for your device again. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.